You do?
Yes.
Start.
Hello.
I will cross the waves. Okay, here we go.
Wow.
Some action.
Jumping.
And return. Need to go faster to catch the wave. Oh, so beautiful. These people are cleaning the river. They are working every day continuously to keep the river clean. They are doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
And we are having fun with the waves. Come back to the... I have some waves here. I will try to catch. Here we go. Wow, see, this boat sails. It's amazing. Oh, I think I catch something. There's a cleaning process. So we have to keep the rivers clean. Don't throw things in the river. We keep them clean or we clean them ourselves. Keep the water clean. So, see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.